Hi, so I'm going to be showing you for the final project what we can do with all our scrap pieces left over from our Duo Designs party decorations. So I've chosen to use the For the Love of Stamps invitation set, and I've got some VersaFine as well to stamp that with. I've got some Gold Mirri and some Ink Me and all my scraps from the previous projects. Okay, so to get started, we're going to trim our Mirri down. And we're going to do that to 4x6, which is a really popular invitation size. Okay, and then I'm going to take some of my strips. So these are the correct length at just under 6 inches. And I'm just going to leave them as they are because I can glue them in stripes in a sort of semi-random fashion. So I'm going to grab some tape. Okay, so that is my background all done. I've decided to stick the first and the last piece and then bridge it together with the middle pieces just to make it a lot more easy and more forgiving for my mats and layers. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the next piece here, and I'm going to trim a piece of Mirri down to 4x3. And then I'm going to grab a piece of Ink Me and do that slightly smaller to make my next mat and layer. Okay, and then I'm going to bring my stamps in to start creating the basis of my invitation. So I've already put these on some acrylic blocks, so I've gone with the You're Invited and the smaller ones to My. So I'm going to stamp that on with some VersaFine. Okay, and then I've stamped the rest of the details that I want on my party invitation. They are a really versatile stamp set that allows you to create loads of different occasions and invites again and again and again. So I've chosen what I want to word my invite with, and I'm going to pop that onto my Mirri now. And then I'm going to pop that on the base of my invite using some foam pads. And then I'm just going to finish off with a few optional gemstones. So I've gone to the glitter ones and I'm going to use the sepia ones. And these orange ones are perfect with all the animal prints. So we are all ready for our party with the animal print bunting, our invites and our cupcake or treat toppers.